Hello everyone, my name is BHAGANNA. Today I will discussing about car exterior design. This is my uh, company logo and my suggestion is velo form means velocity and form. I made a aerodynamic shape car. Feedback collected during empathy, mentoring some of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity. First one, improve aerodynamic shape in car exterior. Second one, use eco-friendly equipments. Third one, improve car exterior feature technology. Fourth one, use futuristic lighting. Define and ideate based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers. Many new features are to be added to the exciting product. Feature to be added. Mainly, I modified car exterior aerodynamics shapes because it looks like a supercar, classy, and I added futuristic lighting system in the car. And I used eco-friendly equipments. Futuristic product name Yellow Farm. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below, like that. I made car model like given above the figure. This figure car move very fast and looking very classic. And I made some futuristic technology like cars shape. Testing. I request the viewers of the presentation video watching to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage and text the comment box what can I add extra in this model. Thank you.